Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Thank you so much for joining me, and today I am cooking another Daily Harvest meal. This time I am cooking one of their bowls that I ordered. This is the second time I'm having this bowl. It is so good. This is the red lentil and cumin bowl. It also has cauliflower, red lentil, carrot, coconut, spinach, and kachari. We'll be cooking it on my stove. I will show you a close-up of that. And also you can cook it in the microwave as well, but I prefer to cook it on the stovetop. I will put a link in the description where you can get more information, and they have different packs that you can order. And with that link, that will save you $35 on an order. So you benefit and I benefit. So next time I order, when you order, I'll also get a credit as well. So win-win. So again, we're gonna go ahead and get this set up. I'm gonna get my camera set up by the stovetop, and we'll get cooking. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the stove turned on, and here we go. Get the stove warmed up, and once the water starts bubbling up a little bit, we'll go ahead and put the product right there into the pot. In the meantime, let me go ahead and open this up just so you can see. So there are all the ingredients. Look at that. How delicious does that look? It really is very good. Again, this is the cauliflower, red lentil, carrot, coconut, spinach, and kachari. And it really doesn't take long to cook it all. So good. So we'll get the cooking going here and give it a minute to get going with the, you want to, it says it calls for 2 tablespoons of water. I put a little bit more in, and then you'll be good to go once it starts bubbling up. So I could see it's getting closer, and give it here just another minute. And I got my little spoon to stir it around a little bit, and here we go. I think it's almost the point where I guess we can go ahead and put that in there now. There we go. And it is a healthy meal. It's got a little kick to it. Again, this is probably more water than I needed to put in there. That's why they said only 2 tablespoons, but I end up putting a little bit more in. And then I drain it out when I'm done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go down a little bit on the flame to kind of a medium flame. Cooks it up, warms it up real quick, and then good to go. So we'll give it here another minute. I highly recommend, again, once you click on the link, you can save $35 on your order, and you can get some nice, tasty meals. They've got some other great bowls. Let me show you those while we're waiting and this cooks. Let me go grab these real quick from the freezer. So the other 2 that I have, this is another one here. This is cauliflower, spinach, basil, olive oil, cashew, and nutritional yeast. And then this one is gigante bean, Savoy cabbage, Brussels sprouts, red onion, cumin, and oregano. So another couple of great options to choose from. And then of course they have their flatbreads, which are so good. So this just really doesn't need to cook for that long. Once this pot warms up, only just a few minutes, and you're good to go. And I just eat it right as is. It's cooked. It's got that nice kick, and then I am good to go. So we'll give it here another minute. I'm going to go ahead and taste just a little bit, see if it's ready to go. Okay, it's almost ready. Just a little bit more. I'm gonna raise that flame just a little bit. And it's very quick and easy to cook. Great healthy meal. Again, I went a little more than I should have with the water, but that's okay. No problem. And I've done this before, and then I just, whatever water there is, I can drain out. Not a problem. There you go. So do click on the link where you could get more information, and you could see how easy it is to cook. Got some great ingredients. Again, the ingredients in here are cauliflower, red lentil. See if you can see that. Red lentil, carrot, coconut, spinach, and cachari. This is red lentil and cumin. There we go. Now the water's really warming up quite a bit. Let me just give it one last look and taste. And I think we are just about ready to eat dinner. Yep. There we go. Now, I think it's ready. I can always put on a dab of salt. Now I'm going to just get a bowl. I'm going to eat it right in a bowl. I think we're good. Give it here another few seconds. All right, we are done. Now I'm going to turn the stove off. And there we go. Look at that. Fantastic. So while it looks like I had a lot of water in there, more than I should have, it's actually worked out okay. Doesn't affect the taste in any way. But there you go. This is just put in the bowl and it's good to go. And you know, I can always throw on a little salt or some other seasoning, but this is seasoned pretty well. And you should be good to go to have a delicious meal. So let me know if you have any questions. There you go. That's one of the bowls, how easy it is to cook. And if you have any questions, let me know. Happy cooking, and I hope you enjoy your daily harvest meal. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.